In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Cloudflare account. We'll walk through the process from the Cloudflare homepage all the way to starting your sign up using Google. This is a quick setup and it's a useful first step if you want to use Cloudflare services for website performance, security, DNS management, or other web tools. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Cloudflare website. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct site. This is important anytime you're creating an account online, especially for a platform that may manage important parts of your website or online infrastructure. When you are on the homepage, look for the login option and click on it. Even though you're creating a new account, this is the path that leads you to the account access page, where you'll also find the sign up option. If the page takes a second to load, that's completely normal. On the login page, find and click sign up. This will take you to the account creation screen. At this point, Cloudflare gives you different ways to get started, and in this walkthrough, we're using the Google sign-in option. This can make the setup process faster because it connects your new Cloudflare account to your Google account, rather than requiring you to manually enter all of your details. Next, click Continue with Google. After that, a Google sign-in window or prompt may appear. From there, choose the Google account you want to use, or sign into your Google account if needed. Make sure you select the account you want associated with Cloudflare, especially if you manage multiple email accounts for personal or business use. As you continue, Google may ask you to confirm permissions or verify that you want to proceed. Review the information carefully, then continue if everything looks correct. It's always a good idea to read through authorization screens so you understand what you're approving. Once that's done, your Cloudflare account creation process will begin, and you'll be taken into the platform so you can continue with any additional setup Cloudflare requires. That's all it takes to get started. If you're following along, just go one screen at a time and make sure the Google account you choose is the one you want to keep using for future logins. With that, you've successfully started creating your Cloudflare account.